Good morning, guys. Or is it afternoon? I don't know. I'm distracted by thoughts of nookie. Sex, sex, sex. I want lots of sex. I'm now optimized on testosterone replacement therapy. Gimme more. Now, you've had low testosterone and you've had a low mood, tiredness, brain fog, low libido, and probably an element of erectile dysfunction. You've corrected this. You're ready to rock and ride, literally. Why is my partner not up for it? You were moaning before. Do you not love me anymore? Yes, I do, but I can't function. And part of being a man, in our minds, is being able to have a stonker and using that stonker to show you that I love you. Now remember, men need sex for intimacy and women need intimacy for sex. We are complicated creatures. Well, are we? No, we're not really. We are simple creatures. Women are complicated creatures. And you can break it down hormonally, as you can with everything. Males follow a diurnal pattern. Day, night, day, night, day, night. Your anabolic I'm going to be in trouble for this one. Your anabolic processes predominate at night time. You're recovering from the day to prepare for the next day. Testosterone does play an important role in libido and erectile function, as does estradiol and DHT. That raise in testosterone spikes dopamine, which is stimulatory. You have to work on your parasympathetic nervous system because libido is enhanced when you're relaxed, when you're not under stress and the strain of modern life, which we're all under to a certain degree. So when my guys go, my libido is still a little bit labile, I say, what's it like on holiday? Rampant. All right, well, guess what you need to do? You need to work on the modern life. Implement things in your day to relax you, to remove yourself from social media, to remove yourself from the news, to remove yourself from work, have that deliberate cutoff, put the phone away, turn the emails off, and work on this. Interpersonal relationships. Because when you've been miserable for a long time and your partner has thought that you're miserable because of them, reversing with testosterone replacement therapy should cure everything. But as we are complex creatures, well, women are, it doesn't work like that, does it? So you're now ready to rock and ride. But you've got to look after this. You've got to work on your interpersonal relationships. Men turn to porn with low testosterone. Why? To try and prove to themselves that it's still working. To give them a small little dopamine hit. We're obviously seeking reward. And if you're not feeling like a real man, that's subjective, not objective. But we all have these little insecurities when we've got low testosterone because you've got low testosterone. And as we've said before, hormones are the foundation to allow your nervous system and brain to work effectively. With low testosterone, we might be constantly seeking answers, but you won't find those answers because you've got low testosterone. So, hey presto, we've managed to correct the testosterone deficiency. We've carefully titrated our dose according to effect with our prescribing clinician, and we're ready. We're ready to rock and ride. But she's not quite so receptive. Why? Because she's had to put up with you for the last 2-3 years. The man that she fell in love with was lost for a period, and things have changed. So you've got to work on your relationship. As I said before, men need sex for intimacy, women need intimacy for sex. We are different creatures. We are the same, but different. So, what are you going to do? Listen, relationship advice from Dr. Rob. Anyway, do as I say, not do as I do. Libido, erections, they are fundamental to making a man feel like a man. But it is subjective. And it is our distorted perspective that gets us into trouble. It is our lack of awareness of self and others that is the cause of our demise. We are one consciousness experiencing itself subjectively. Bill Hicks, he is missed. So, work on your noggin, work on your cardiovascular health, work on understanding the importance of the parasympathetic side of the nervous system. So as I bang on all the time, mindfulness, breath work, cold therapy, walking in nature without your phone, and work on your interpersonal relationships. These things take time. With time, effort, there will be what? Rewards. Now go earn your reward.